Hello, I am Beth Van Stone with the Los Alamos College Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness. This video will provide you an introduction to instructional units for eLumen Program Review Year 5 Update. Firstly, you want to open up your internet browser, preferably Google Chrome, and navigate to the Los Alamos College website at www.losmedanos.edu. Once at the college's homepage, use the A through Z index list of topics in the upper right-hand corner of the web page. Select P for Program Review. Scroll down the list of options under P until you locate the bullet labeled Program Review. Click on the link, and this will navigate you to the college's Program Review webpage. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, scroll down until you see the header titled Program Review Year 5 Update 2021-2022. We are wanting the process webpage, which is the first bulleted link. Click on this link, and this will navigate you to the Program Review Year 5 Update process webpage. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen, scroll down. You will see the Program Review Unit list. This contains a list of Program Review Unit leads and responsible managers. Then you'll notice the eLumen Program Review Guides, one for administrative, one for instructional, one for student services, and one for learning communities. We're going to want to access and download the guide for instructional units. Click on the second bulleted link labeled Instructional Units. This will open up a PDF of your Instructional Units Program Review Year 5 Update Guide. On the first page of the guide, you will note it provides you with a bulleted list of items you'll need to gather in order to successfully complete your Year 5 update. It also includes the schedule for submitting the sections, as instructional programs and units will be utilizing a chunking timeline. And as you scroll down, you'll see other items providing tips, tricks, and definitions. To download this guide, we're going to want to select the downward-facing arrow in the upper right-hand corner. It is preferred that you save this to your desktop, as you will need to open and access it while completing your Program Review Year 5 update. I've noted it's going to be saved to my desktop. I select the Save button. And now I've downloaded my Instructional Units Program Review Year 5 Guide. Using the back arrow on my internet browser, I navigate back to the Year 5 Update Process webpage. Now I'm ready to download my Year 3 report. You will need to have your Program Review Year 3 report downloaded and available in order to respond to sections of your Year 5 update. To do so, from the Year 5 process webpage, you can use the left navigation bar until you see the item titled Program Review. Click on this, and this will navigate you back to the college's Program Review webpage. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, scroll down until you see the header titled Program Review Year 3 Update. We want to go to the Reports webpage, which is the second bulleted pointed link. Click on this link, and it will navigate you to the Year 3 Reports webpage. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side, scroll down until you see the header titled Individual Program Reports. You will see 3 drop-down boxes: Administrative, Student Services, and Instructional. Since this is an Instructional Units Program Review video, we're going to want to download our Instructional Units Program Review Year 3 report. Select the drop-down box and the following table will appear, providing a list of the instructional units that completed and submitted their Year 3 update reports. For the purpose of this video, I will be utilizing the Art Department. As I scroll down, I've located Arts and Humanities. In the next column to your right, you will see Arts, a report, and then a PDF icon. To access and download this report, I want to click on the report or icon, and the following PDF will appear. This is my art department's year 3 update report. To download this, I want to select the downward facing arrow in the upper right hand corner of the screen. When my Save As box appears, I want to download this to my desktop, as I will need to access and refer to it quite often as I complete my year 5 update in eLumen. I select Save, and I have now successfully downloaded my year 3 report. Utilizing the back arrow on my internet browser, I navigate back to the Year 3 Reports webpage. Now, these training videos will not provide you detailed training on how to access Tableau dashboards or utilize the data in completing your program review. Those will be provided separately, as well as data coaches will be deployed to help programs and units and utilizing the Tableau data to complete their Year 5 update of program review in eLumen. However, for the purpose of the introduction, I will give you brief instructions on where to access the Tableau dashboards and information on how to install and connect to the VPN. Please note you will need to have VPN installed and be able to successfully connect to it in order to access the Tableau data dashboards. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a navigation bar. You want to scroll down the list of options until you see one titled Data Dashboard and Data Coaches. Click on this, and this will navigate you to the Data Dashboard and Data Coaches webpage. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen, you could scroll down and see the drop-down box containing information on our Data Coaches program, as well as the various Tableau and external data sources available. Then you'll see the header titled Data Dashboard Tableau, as well as headers with drop downs on the various data dashboards available, such as enrollment, course success, degrees and certificates, and guided pathways. If you would like to know how to access Tableau, install, and connect to VPN, you can access this information by clicking on the drop-down box under Data Dashboard Tableau labeled General Information. This will provide you with some instructions on the enrollment trends, course success, and degree certificates data dashboards, as well as data definitions. Additionally, you will see links on installing VPN and connecting to VPN, and instructional videos on how to access Tableau via Insight and how to access Tableau via the LMC webpage. Again, this instructional video is how to access, navigate, and complete your program review in eLumen. Separate trainings will be provided on how to access and utilize Tableau data in completing your program review. Now we are ready to access and connect to eLumen. To do so, utilizing the left navigation bar, select the item labeled Program Review. This will navigate you back to the Program Review webpage for the college. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen, scroll down until you see the header titled Program Review Year 5 Update 2021-2022. We want the first bulleted link labeled Process. Click on this, and this will navigate you back to the Year 5 Update Process webpage. Using the scroll bar, scroll down to the header labeled eLumen Program Review. Below that, you will see only one bullet labeled eLumen Program Review. The link will then navigate you to eLumen. Click on this link. It will prompt you to enter in your Insight credentials. And you are now into eLumen. First, you want to note your name at the top left-hand corner of the screen and a drop-down box with a role self-populated. Please utilize this drop-down box to ensure your role while completing the program review. Year 5 update for your programmer unit is Department Coordinator. The drop-down box located next to that has the list of programs or units you have been identified as a Department Coordinator for in eLumen. Please be sure you select the appropriate unit or program that you will be completing this Year 5 update for. Again, for the purpose of the instructional video, we will be utilizing the art department, so I will select art. Please be sure that the strategic planning is highlighted gray. Select initiatives, and you will see the following on this screen. The first drop-down box is already pre-populated to say accreditation self-study. Please be sure to select this and then select program review. You'll see the screen change to contain the following information. Use the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen to scroll down, and you will see your instructional units program review Year 5 update template for your instructional programmer unit. Please be sure to click on the link itself and not the checkbox. The checkbox will not give you any options that you can utilize to access and complete your program review. So please be sure you select the link and not the checkbox. Selecting the link for my Year 5 update template, and I've done so, and now you will see your program review Year 5 update for your instructional programmer unit appear on the screen. You are now ready to complete the first section of your program review. Please visit the next instructional video, which will provide you information and instructions on completing Section 1 program update of your program review.